guys, I'm back again. If you have not seen my last video of how to make a chai, then you should see that. And before showing what I am doing today, you should subscribe to my channel, Ducks Kahan Travel. Please, if you have not subscribed, then you will not be able to see this type of stuff what I am banaving today. So please subscribe to my channel and let's begin how to make a grill sandwich today and how I make a grill sandwich today. Let me show you. Come, camera, please. Didi, well, by the way, let me tell you all, my sister is holding the camera. Yeah. Okay, alright. Well, don't go in my looks. Oh, Didi, I am over here. Didi, I am over here. Okay. Oh, don't go over my looks. There is thundi. It is very cold today. So that's why it's winter season, so I am in this sweater. So let's begin how I will show you how to make this sandwich. See, first of all I have, see this is bread. ये bread है यार, हिंदी बहुत अरे इंग्लिश बहुत बोल लिया. ये bread है, उसके ऊपर मैंने ये मावा डाला हुआ है. This is आलू मावा, and then after उसके ऊपर ये cheese spread है. Cheese spread के नीचे ये है cabbage. It is cabbage. Okay, all right. Then after इसको हम कवर करने के, उसके ऊपर चीज स्प्रेड डाल के मैंने इसको कवर किया सॉस से. अभी हम एक और सॉस की लेयर बनाएंगे. Okay, this is again a layer of sauce, and then after we have some ingredients over here like onion, this is capsicum, this is tomato, this is kakadi, and this is beet. I don't know what is beet. Beet. What is beet called? Beet. This is beet. Didi, you should focus on the ingredients what I am showing over here. And this is onion. Okay, hold. Let's start again.
मम्मी का पता इतना जोर नहीं.
वो देसी गोल लाई हो का.
Yes, mom. तुम मैंने थोड़ा boost up. Oh, hi guys. I'm back again. If you are able to see me, there is some transition in my clothing as well. I have changed it because it was yesterday what I was showing you how to do a sandwich. That sandwich was yesterday and I am doing it again as I was not able to, as you know in India,
हमारे यहाँ
मेहमान आ जाते हैं, उसकी वजह से ही मैं शूट नहीं कर पाया था. So just I will be showing you how to make a sandwich, like how, what is the final result of that particular grill sandwich. So welcome back again, and Didi, you can come closer to me, please. So this is the griller. Didi, please focus on this. I'm applying some butter just for a bit of a greasing purpose, and then after, here is the sandwich. Alright. Okay, we will just wait for some time. Let the sandwich get completed and we will just get back to you within a while. Wait for some time.
हमारे घर के लिए भी जी
सिर्फ स्वर्ण चंपा अगरबत्ती ही लाना.
भक्ति मिलाई शक्ति स्वर्ण चंपा.
All right, the grill is prepared. I have prepared the grill sandwich now, and just don't go on the shape, as I am not a proper chef. What I try to say and what I try to do is cook well, and I know the taste would be good. So